Good afternoon. Myself Patki Suhas Vijay Rao from Shahaji Law College, Kolhapur. I am giving presentation for the faculty development program, which is organized by HRDC and Savitribai Phule Pune Vidyapeeth Pune. So let's begin our session. First of all, we will discuss about good afternoon definition of law. Patki Suhas Vijay Rao of Indian from Shahaji Law College, Kolhapur. Term law as follows: crime giving presentation in act or omission, faculty development program law. Time being is organized by HRDC and Savitribai Phule Pune Vidyapeeth Pune. It is universal phenomena. So let's begin our. There is no society which is free from crime. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of law. Section 40 of Indian Penal Crime defines the term law kinds of as law follows. Basically, there are two kinds of law: in act or omission and violation of any law. And third, one that is what constitutional law. Crime, it is what is the role of substantive law? The substantive law no society which defines which is crime free from crime, which recognizes the rights and of the society at large. Wherever you go, at the same time for committing crime, it prescribes what are the punishment kinds of law. Suppose basically there are two kinds of who law commits any crime: substantive law. What would be the probable punishment for the crime? One that punishment is constitutional law. What is the role of substantive law? Essentials, the substantive law crime which defines what is the appropriate punishment and which recognizes the rights, maximum sentence of the society at large. At the same time, the substantive law at the same time for committing crime, substantive law and criminal substantive law, it categorizes under the person who commits any crime. In civil substantive law, what would be the probable punishment? Recognizes the rights of the person. That punishment is, for example, what are the essentials who purchase any proper crime, and what is the rights of the purchaser? Our law prescribes the maximum what are the rights of the seller. All at the same time are the substantive law by our, that is civil substantive law and criminal substantive law. He purchase categorized under flat two heads. In civil substantive law, automatically which becomes owner recognizes the rights of the person. In lieu of flat, for example, he paid the entire amount to the person builder who purchased any property. Now he can enjoy the rights of the proprietary rights relating to the what are the rights of the seller. At the same time, rights are another category of law by our, that is the procedural law, substantive law. Suppose procedural law, a purchase a flat deals with how automatically he becomes owner, and the violation of substantive flat, he paid the entire amount. Suppose to the builder, a person who is creating nuisance, now he can enjoy all the proprietary rights, peaceful enjoyment of any flat, proprietary rights. At the same time, how to restrict that category of law, that is the procedural law, how to file a suit before the procedural law, and how to deals with get how to adequate remedy from the court of law. That is the violation of substantive law. Civil procedure code and suppose criminal procedure code. A person who is creating nuisance or disturbance. Basic procedural law, the peaceful enjoyment of any a person commits theft. Then how to restrain that punishment person is prescribed under IPC, that is to file a suit for 3 years before the court of law, and how to our code adequate remedy unless and until we prove that is the role of person procedural law. His guilt civil beyond the reasonable doubt, and we cannot punish him. Code are the two how to basic prove his procedural laws. The procedure is given under the procedural law. A person for that commits theft, we have to conduct a trial. Punishment is prescribed under trial IPC, depends upon the nature of crime committed by person. Either sessions trial is to be applicable, or summons trial is to be applicable, unless and until or warrant trial. It depends upon the nature of crime and beyond punishable doubt. We cannot punish him unless and until there is procedure to how to prove his guilt. The procedure is given under the substantive law. Is worthless. For that purpose, we have to conduct a trial. So, procedural law. Trial depends upon the nature of crime committed by person. Either the sessions trial is to be applicable, as well as or summons trial is to be applicable. Third category of warrant trial, it depends upon the nature of crime and the punishment prescribed for the same. In unless and until there is procedure, we can pass through his takeouts the rights court enshrined in our Indian Constitution. So it is the basic law of our nation. Procedural law. So every law what should be commensurate according to the protect the substantive law as well as substantive rights. Now we will discuss about the third category of law, that is society and law. And there are three important factors: making of law, breaking of law and reaction towards we can pass which take making of law the right is the job of legislature shine in our India enacting the law. So it is as the basic need law of the time of our nation. The changing time. So every law should be breaking of law according to law violators constitutional law. They are breaking the law. And third important component, we will discuss about the relationship towards the society and law. There are three important unless and until there is of law, strong reaction of law or appropriate reaction towards the breaking of law. Making of law, we cannot is the job of legislature as well as law and order. They are enacting the law, so reaction should be strong of the time. As the punishment time should be breaking of appropriate. While according to the nature of crime, they are harm the law caused by the person. And third, the important individual and the society at reaction towards the breaking of law. We will discuss what unless and until there is of law. Strong reaction or appropriate reaction towards the breaking of law is to establish. We cannot establish peace as well as rule of law is the goal of law. So reaction should be strong. The meaning of rule of law is everyone is equal, appropriate the law according to the nature of crime and harm caused by the person. Equality before law and individual and society at large. That is our prime concern. We will discuss. So what are the all are equal before the law. Though the person may be politician, object of law is to establish economic rule of law. Powerful or of law, the person the goal of law belongs to. The meaning of rule of law is law is everyone is equal. No one is superior to the law. All are equal. That is the law. Prime equality before law and equal protection of law to maintain the law and order, peace in the society. That is the second object. All are equal before the law. Though the person may be maintain the law and order, person may be implementing the law in effective way, or the person may be used belongs to law as a downtrodden to maintain the society. Peace. Law is equal for both the society. That is no one is superior to the law. Third one, that is to do justice with the prime concern of law. Where a person who commits any crime to maintain law and order, any rights of in the society. That is the second object. By filing suit or by filing complaint, could maintain the law and order judicial authority. Implementing the law in effective way. Apply to the court and use court law as a to the matter to maintain after hearing the matter, after hearing the merit, that is the second court will pass the decision. Third one, and by passing decision with the victim, we are trying to give where a person who commits any crime or who violate any rights of any individual to punish the criminal by filing suit or by filing complaint before the appropriate relationship between crime, sin and morality. Sin is punishable with text. Apply to the court and the court will look into the matter, and after hearing the matter, every immoral act is the court will pass the decision. And not by passing decision, every we are trying to give justice crime to is the immoral victim. Act. Morality is the wider concept than to punish the criminal law. Thank you. Thank you.